This is the Fantasyland Forest Theatre, and we have a backstory that Imagineers came up with to explain the look of the theater. The idea is that a group of theater artists went out into the woods and they constructed this entire theater out of the natural materials that they found in the forest. So as you go through the theater, you will see beautiful tapestries that were hand woven. You'll see essentially these beautiful trees that you see behind me that were created out of wood that they found and latched together. Nothing looks like it was made by a machine. Everything looks like it was made by hand. And one of the fun things about the Forest Theater is you might find some more obscure Disney characters hidden in the banners and the tapestries and the murals on the wall, which we think is a lot of fun because they're the characters that you might not see in a big e-ticket attraction, but you'll discover them here inside the Forest Theater.